Much more than 6,000 Hoosiers have now died because of COVID-19. Health officials say the state passed that mark today, adding 124 deaths that are now linked to the pandemic. The most recent deaths happened between November 19th and December 7th. There are more than 5,400 new cases. In all, 392,663 people in Indiana have now been diagnosed. Now, we're hearing tonight from one of the Indiana doctors behind an open letter describing the hardships of the pandemic. They posted the letter online. Dr. Gabriel Boslett says that it all started on Twitter by reaching out to a group of fellow healthcare workers around the state. From there, the letter came together in less than a week, calling on Hoosiers to do 4 things. Avoid gatherings, wear a mask when you're not around people you don't live with, advocate for state and federal support for people suffering from economic and social effects, and get the vaccine. Now, the first lines of the letter: our hospitals are full. Our staff is overwhelmed. We are exhausted. We asked Dr. Boslett to describe the current hospital environment.
It's sad. I mean, there's no family members in the hospitals. The hospitals are full of patients. They have a lot of physicians, nurses, respiratory therapists, pharmacists, environmental services people that are working very hard to care for people. And we do it without having family members there. And it's a lonely place for patients right now. I can say that.
Sobering to say the least. Dr. Boslett says that he wanted the letter to come directly from physicians, not from any of the healthcare workers at the hospital networks. He says so far all of the feedback has been positive. To read the full letter, head on over to wishtv.com. Brooke.